In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Epic Games step by step, and I'll keep it quick and easy so you can do it in just a couple of minutes. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once the launcher is open, look at the top right corner and click the friends or social icon. This is where Epic keeps all of your friend and chat options in one place. After that, you should see an Add Friend button with a plus icon. Click that button to open the friend request window. Now you'll need to enter the person's Epic display name or their email address depending on what you have. Make sure you spell it correctly because even one small mistake can send a request to the wrong person or stop it from working. Once you've entered the details, click Send. That's it. Your friend request has now been sent through Epic Games. When the other person accepts it, they'll appear in your friends list and you'll be able to invite them to games, chat, and play together. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.